Today I have brought you Jardosi special 3-piece collection. You can see on the table different types of collections. So don't skip this video because I'm going to tell the detailing of these products. So do watch the video till the end. First piece, you can see very beautiful cut work Jardosi piece. Along with the, you can see the proper cut work design with the, you can see the inner lining with the printed lining with it. And if I talk about this collection, you are going to get a lot of color, lot of design, but in this segment you are going to get same color, same design, 4 pieces, medium, large, XL and double XL. If I talk about the dupatta length, you are going to get proper 2.15 meter dupatta. You can see the collection, very beautiful. In jacquard you are going to get, if I talk about the fabric, this is pure cotton jacquard. And if you want something like this, you are going to get a lot of plenty of collection. Next collection, you can see it's in proper magenta color. You can see the vibrance on the neck, plus you are going to get the printed lining with it, and along with the jacquard dupatta and the top. You can see how beautiful these pieces are. Next piece, you are going to get something like this with a heavy neck design. You can see the heavy neck design, plus you can see the cut work, thread work. And if you want to know the prices of this, you have to take the screenshot. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. You are going to get a lot of collection. You can see the next collection, very beautiful yellow color collection, along with the proper Jardosi work, neck style bead work, and you can see on the downtown also, it's very beautiful collection. If I talk about the next collection, you are going to get blue collection, very beautiful blue color, and the proper, you can say, Jardosi color is very beautiful, and you're going to get a proper thread work. You can see the neck work also, it's very beautiful. And if I talk about the online process, you can do the COD. International shipping is also available. Within the India, you can going to get the COD facility. You can see how beautiful these pieces are, plus you can see the neck work detailing. And if I talk about, you are owning a boutique, you are owning a shop, this collection is just for you, because this collection is going to get out of stock very soon. So place your order now. So let's hop on to the next collection. You can see this very beautiful and vibrant color blue collection. I am now the master and the star of this collection. This is a white piece, it's very beautiful. You can grab this collection. This is very beautiful. You just have to do one thing. You have to call us, visit us, and if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. Plus, in the comment down below, tell me from where you're watching this video.